Okay, hi class. Mr. Laskowski here. So I've noticed today that a lot of you had trouble finding the slope of a line when you're just given 2 points. So I want to do a quick video here to follow up and try to help you. So here's an example. Let's say you got 2 points here. You got point one, and it is, say, 6, -8. And then you got another point here. Let's call it, I don't know, -13. I don't know, maybe 12. Okay. So we can go through you got the formula, okay, if you wanted to. Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1, okay? And of course, that is your rise over your run, okay? You're going to hear a bunch of stuff going on in the background because my house is a little busy right now, but you guys need this help. Okay, we can go through this, and I'll go through that in a minute. But I want to show you what happens if you just sketch this out and you think about it. So I'm going to put a quick, well, that's awful. Let's erase that. Erase, 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 erase. Not as easy to erase this as I thought, but that's okay. Do. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to take a quick sketch here. Okay, there's my axes, nice and straight. Ha. So if I had this first point here, 6, 8, 6, -8. So 6, -8. I'm going to throw that down here. Okay, and we're going to say that's 6, -8. I got this other point here, -13, 12. Okay, -13, 12. Fantastic. Those are the 2 points. And what I'm looking for is the slope of the line that runs like that, okay, between these 2 points. Well, you can see here, first off, that the sine of my slope, okay, is going to be negative, okay? It's a negative slope. Now, if I want to look for my rise, I'm looking for the distance from 12 to -8, okay? Because I start up here, I'm at 12, okay, that's my y-coordinate, to -8. So if I'm going from 12 to -8, that would be going down 12 here, right? I'd be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down. I'd have 12 to get to here, and then another 8 to get to here. So the rise there is going to be 20. 20. Now let's see if we can figure out the run. The run's going to be, well, I'm going from -13 all the way here to 6. That's going to be 13 units to get to here, and another 6 to get to here. Okay, if I'm at -13, it's 13 to get to 0, and then another 6 to get to +6. So 13 plus 6 is 19. Okay, my sign's negative, so my slope, -20 over 19. And that really can't be simplified. That's as good as it's going to get right there. Okay? Let me show you another really quick example. So, another quick example. So let's say I've got, I don't know, let's take here -6, -8, and I'm going to go to, I don't know, -1, 12. Okay? So again, I'm going to sketch these points here on a coordinate plane. Boom, boom. Okay, -6, -8. Well, it's back 6, down 8. Okay. -6, -8. Oh, 8. Okay, got that point right there. I got another one here. -1, 12. -1, 12. Here we go. There's our line here. Boom. Okay, the sine. It's going up to the right. So that's going to be positive. It's a positive slope. My rise. Okay. Your rise is going to be, well, I went from -8 to 12. I have to go 8 to get to 0, and then another 12 to get up. So my rise again is 20. My run this time, I'm going from -6 to -1. Well, -6 to -1 is only my run there. Okay, if I'm going -6 to -1, I'm not crossing over the axis, so I'm going -6 to -1. That's only going to be 5 spaces. So my slope is going to be 20 over 5. Okay, I know that can be simplified. I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. That gets me 4 over 1, simply 4. Okay, not too bad. Nice. You can see we got a nice positive slope. It may be easier for you just to think about, okay, how far is it for me to get from here to here? Notice I don't have a coordinate grid here. I just sketched this out on a piece of paper here, okay? You just on a scrap paper on a whiteboard. If that's going to help you, give it a shot. Let me do one more real quick. Okay, let's go -32. Let's use some big numbers. Okay, make it -32, +15. Okay, and then I've got -16, and I don't know, maybe it's 23. Okay, well, again, I'm just going to sketch this out. Okay, it doesn't have to be completely accurate, but I know -32 going to be, I don't know, maybe right about here, up 15. Okay, -32, 15. Okay, then I also have -16. Okay, so it's not going to be as far as -32, +23. Okay, -16, +23. Okay, let's figure it out. So my rise, well, my sine first, okay, it's going up to the right. So the sine is going to be positive. Okay, the rise, I'm going from 15 to 23. Okay, it's the difference in my rise. I'm 15 here, 23 here. So the rise okay, is going to be 8. The run, I'm going from -32 to 16. Well, if I'm going from -32 to -16, that's going to be 16 spaces. Okay, we know it's a positive, so my slope is going to be 8 over 16. They're both even, so I'm going to divide by 2. That gives me 4 over 8, still even, so I'm going to divide by 2 again. That's going to be 2 over 4, still even, going to divide by 2 again. That's going to give me 1 over 2. Okay, and there's my slope. Okay, hopefully this cleared up some problems. Give a shot on your do now. Thank you.